Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we turn off guys color inversion setting in our Samsung mobile. Friends, you want to off guys your phone color inversion setting. So man, how can you off guys today friends I am going to show you guys. So friends, you can see guys your screen color is different, everything is different in your phone. So man, how can you off guys this color inversion setting guys? Today guys I am going to show you guys. So first of all guys, open your phone setting guys. So when we will on our phone setting guys, after on phone setting guys, scroll it. Friends, click on guys this phone accessibility setting guys. Friends, you can see visibility guys, tap here. Friends, again scroll it. Friends, you can see the color version guys, right side this icon guys, tap here. Friends, after of guys you can see guys your background this dark color will off, and friends you can see your skin color will normal. Everything is fine in our phone guys. You can use your phone, you can use guys your YouTube and any photos and videos without any color problem. So like that guys we can off color inversion. So that's it guys, bye.